Hi, this is a quick screencast to give you a visual of the problem that I'm facing at the moment. So as you can see here on the staging environment, I've got these two blue markers just here that are side by side. If I go to the live side, you can see that the marker down here is not blue, that marker is blue. So when I push to live, I would expect this to change. Now I'm having some problems pushing, so I have cleared Cloudflare, cleared SiteGround Optimizer, or I should say Super Cache on the site, cleared all the caches for both the staging environment and the live environment. I have cleared Auto Optimize cache and then deactivated it. I've also deactivated SG Optimizer on both the staging, so they would be up here if they were active, so they've been turned off so that I can push with everything turned off. Cloudflare has been put into development mode and its cache has been purged as well, so I've tried to turn all cachings off, and I'm now going to push to live and see if I can get this to happen. So in SiteGround, I've got my staging one and pushing to live, and I'm going to do advanced push because my membership plugin, I don't want to overwrite any new members that come along in the time of development. So comparing the files, as I said, I've turned everything off. Obviously there's going to be some cache file differences. Still, I did delete the cache in both and then turned the plugin off, but these files still, I guess, seem to be there. I've got so another adaptive images, Instagram, so all of those I would leave on. htaccess, I would normally turn that off, but I'm just going to push everything. So eMember, this is my membership plugin, so I'm just going to turn that one off because that would always need to be turned off. I can't not turn that off. So eMember again, and then I'm going to leave everything else on. Members Meta I don't think is eMember. I think that's something to do with WordPress. And everything else I'm going to push. So virtually pushing everything. So I'll push that now and I'll come back with the results. So it is creating the backup now. Just one step that I should tell you, just so you've got all information. So I do go into File Manager, Staging Environment, and before I push, because it's been a problem in the past, I delete the backups and a removed folder if that's there. At the moment it's creating the backup, so the backup folder has deployed again, but I do delete those so that the backup can continue. So I just thought I would add that comment in, and I'll come back and once this is finished. Okay, so I'm back and successfully pushed to the live environment. I'm now going to clear my browser cache and refresh both of these pages. So I'll give you a quick rundown firstly of some things that I have changed on the staging environment. So the blue marker there is something that I've changed. If I just click on that Flinders Ranges page, when this comes up, there'll be a blue cookie disclaimer that will come up. So that is new. There it is there. And then if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, this information here has got a privacy policy and a cookie policy added to it. It used to just say terms and conditions. Now if I go to the demo page and refresh the page, So this is the live site. The blue markers have not changed. And if I go to the Flinders Ranges page, I would expect to see the blue cookie bar come up, and the blue cookie bar hasn't come up. And if I go down to the bottom, this has updated. So it wasn't updated before, and now it is updated. Finally, to check everything, so my members are at 5 on the live site, and on the staging environment 7. So that push was successfully, well, not pushed across. So that's essentially the issues I'm facing at the moment. If you could please shed any light on what's happening, why it's not pushing across, that would be great. That would be appreciated. Thank you. Cheers.